This Velar comes in a stunning Varesine Blue and it's fitted with a black pack exterior. It has road gold accents complementing throughout the car, and it also comes with stunning 21-inch alloys. Let's head to the back. Following to the back of the Velar, the black pack continues. The 24 plate is fitted with a power tailgate, and it also is an electrical hybrid vehicle fitted with your chargers. The car definitely doesn't lack boot space, as it has loads of room for your weekend shopping or your long haul getaways. And not to forget, the car comes fitted with your rear camera, your stunning privacy glass and your keyless entry. Let's have a look inside. Starting with the back of the vehicle, you can see it is fitted with ebony leather interior throughout. It has your ISOFIX and your child safety lock in the front of the car for that extra safety. You've also got your everyday hidden compartments for your everyday cup of coffee. The back of the car is fitted with free zone climate control, which I'm going to tell you more about, so let's head to the front. Now moving to the front of the car, you can see it is still fitted and complemented with that stunning ebony leather interior, and it's fitted with loads of different spec. Starting on your steering, you've got your adaptive cruise control and your heated steering wheel. The car's fitted with plenty of different hidden compartments, starting with this one, and you've got this one which also includes your wireless charging. And on the door of the vehicle, not to forget, you have got your driver's seat memory and that child lock which was mentioned earlier. Providing exceptional style and comfort, I'm now going to show you some of the standout features this Velar includes. Starting at your home screen, you've got your up-to-date navigation, which is ideal for your everyday use. For the colder months, which are coming in fast, you've got your climate control, which is free zone. You've also got your heated seats throughout the driver's seat and the passenger seat of the vehicle. You've got more standout features, including different drive modes. You've got your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, and you've also got your rear camera, which is perfect for parking. And finally, not to forget, the star stopper of this Velar, and my personal favourite, the sliding panoramic sunroof, which floods the car with light throughout. Now, this Velar is waiting for you to take it on a test drive here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle. If you're interested and want to reserve this car or want to ask any further questions, give us a call on 0191 229 3000.